Congratulations, Ava. I am so happy for you for reaching over 50,000 subscribers on your channel. I'm just so excited for you. And I remember when you reached your first 100 subscribers. It was just so awesome.
Oh my gosh! Guys, thank you so much. 1,000 subscribers, that's so crazy.
And of course, I remember her 1,000 subscribers video. Her reaction was just amazing. And she deserves every subscriber, and she deserves so many more as well. She's just an awesome YouTuber, and if you haven't checked out her channel, you need to. She does doll DIYs. She does custom dolls, which is amazing. All of them are just beautiful. She does sewing crafts, like doing doll clothes. She does doll reviews. Just you name it, she has done it when it comes to dolls. And I don't know. I can't believe, I knew she could reach this number, but it's crazy to actually see it. It's just amazing. She also has this awesome doll series. So I just wanted to give a shout out to you, Ava. I'm so proud of you and so happy for you. So go check out her channel if you haven't already.